Now, as you can see, we've got a single room. Close that. Let's have a look at the bed. Yeah, all clean. Yeah. Good. Right. Let's see if we put these lights on. Right, so you've got your bedside lamp there. And then you got your fire regulation there. And a big TV. Let's switch it on, shall we? There you go. Plug socket there, another one there. Dressing table there with a mirror. Hi guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Hairdryer there. And drawer there. And then I've got these set of drawers. Yeah, TV works. So you've got this set of drawers as well. Nothing in there. Carpet's nice and clean. And you've got your tea, coffee, and milk, sugar, cup. Let's have a look, see if the kettle's clean. Needs a bit of a descale, but it's okay. You've got a bag stand there. You've got this chair as well. And then got wardrobe. And you've got the view of the side of the Norbreck. And then we've got bin there. Right, let's have a look at this bathroom. So, as you can see, we've got bath. And a shower. Shower head looks clean. And the shower curtain looks clean too. And you've got this shower mat, towels, toilet roll, sink with soap in a plastic cup, and another bin, radiator, window. Let's have a look at the toilet, shall we? Yeah, all clean. So yeah. And a mirror there, and hook there. No lock on that one. Right, so let me know in the comments what you think. Would you stay in this? I pay £77 for 2 nights, and that's breakfast included. So let me know whether you would stay here. Look, the carpet's clean. It is clean. So, but yeah, it's, yeah, don't get me wrong, there's like little bits there, but even the curtains are clean. So, but yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. You got your teas, coffees, milk, cereals, fruit, yogurt, jams, butter, toast, egg, scrambled egg, bacon, black pudding, sausages, fried bread, and your orange juice, apple juice, and your water. Okay. And that's the map of the hotel. So those are the times for the bingo they do. And it's cash payment only. So yeah, this is the area right there. entertainment area. And you've got a bar there as well. Yeah. This is bar charter tariff. It says November 22, so I'm not sure if that's still prices now or not, but gives you an idea roughly anyway. And it gives you an idea of what they actually do. There's the Health and Leisure Club. Those are your times. Swimming. And you can see the swimming pool there. I'm not going to show properly because there's a couple of swimmers in there. So, but yeah, and then you gain access with your room key. You've got a gymnasium in there as well. So yeah. So those are your gym prices, which is quite a good price, I reckon. And there's your information regarding children's swimming. What times. This is the arcade area. Oh. Pool table there as well. It states there about the pool room being open between 7 and 11. But it is now just before 9 o'clock and it's locked. Both sides. Then you've got a cinema there which does screenings a few times a day as well. And you can find at the front in reception what films are showing and what time. So you've got a hockey table there and a grabber there. So it's only a little one, only a little arcade. See, there's new beds as well for refurbishment of the hotel as well, because of course they're refurbishing the hotel. So there's some new beds there for the rooms.